Right amidst the sultry deserts of Rajasthan, there exists a center that propagates peace, harmony, and the science of living. Jain Vishwa Bharati, a socio-spiritual oasis.
जैन धर्म भारत का बहुत प्राचीन धर्म है। उसने विद्या के क्षेत्र में, दर्शन के क्षेत्र में, आचार के क्षेत्र में बहुत विकास किया है। वर्तमान युग में जो समस्याएं हैं, उनका समाधान देने की क्षमता है।
Nanasa Saram Ayaro, meaning right conduct is the essence of knowledge. This spiritual voice of Lord Mahavir is the motto of the Jain Vishwa Bharati. Jain Vishwa Bharati was established in 1970 as a philanthropic society by the late Gurudev Tulsi, a great Sikh, a Sanskrit and Prakrit scholar, and the ninth Acharya of the Jain Therapanth religious sect. Gurudev Tulsi was the man behind the massive movement of Anuvrat, a code of conduct for building a healthy society. He was the first Anushastra, the preceptor of the institute, and after his death in 1997, his mantle passed on to the scholarly Acharya Mahapragya, a scholar himself who has devised Preksha Dhyan, a unique system of meditation.
आचार्य श्री तुलसी ने एक कल्पना की, कोई ऐसा स्थल हो, स्थान हो, जहाँ से जैन दर्शन, जैन विद्या का विधिवत शिक्षण और प्रशिक्षण हो सके। इस कल्पना के साथ जैन विश्व भारती का प्रारंभ हुआ।
Over the years, Gurudev Tulsi and Acharya Mahapragya have untiringly worked towards eradicating social evils, reforming social customs, building national character, and educating the masses on the principles of non-violence, universal peace, and brotherhood. Over 200 acres of serene ambience in Ladnu, a small town of the Nagaur district in Rajasthan. The JVB campus is a lush green spot in the desert terrain of Rajasthan. The campus represents a tranquil oasis, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. A smoke and drug-free zone, ideal for pursuing spiritual and academic excellence. Developed on the age-old values and traditions of a Gurukul, the Jain Vishwa Bharati has been dedicated for over 34 years to building a non-violent society by inculcating the values of heritage, character, national harmony, peace, unity and morality.
मैं जैन विश्व भारती के प्रांगण में बैठा हूँ और बरसों से इस संस्था से परिचित हूँ। गुरुदेव तुलसी के स्वप्न का एक यह साकार रूप है। शिक्षा, सेवा, साधना, समण संस्कृति आदि के विकास की दृष्टि से इस संस्थान की उपयोगिता है।
In order to bring about an intellectual and behavioral revolution in the society by contributing in 7 areas it considers fundamental: Shiksha, Sanskriti, Samanvay, Sahitya, Seva, Sadhana, and show. Shiksha, learning with a difference. Inspired by the principles of Acharya Mahapragya, to create a knowledge-based society by providing education irrespective of caste, creed, sex or religion. The JVP has established several schools and colleges across India. The Ladnu campus houses Vimal Vidya Vihar and Jai Tulsi Vidya Vihar for primary and secondary education.
Where I used to stay in the city, there we don't have such facilities and it is just pollution free and our life is very practical over here.
There is something with me in this school who inspires us a lot. Like they behave like a parents in this school. So I don't miss my parents also here.
JVP has even set up the Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute, the first and only Jain university in the history of the Jain religion. Deemed to be university in 1991 by the University Grants Commission, UGC.
मैं पुनः जैन विश्व भारती को देख रहा हूं तो मुझे लगता है यह संस्थान भी अपने आप में महत्वपूर्ण है और साथ में मान्य विश्वविद्यालय की स्थिति दर्जा प्राप्त हो जाने से और भी इसकी गरिमा बढ़ गई है.
JVPI today offers graduate, postgraduate, doctoral and postdoctoral programs in Ahimsa and peace research, Jainology, comparative religion and philosophy, Prakrit and Jain Agam and social work, correspondence and certificate courses in the science of living and Preksha meditation. Over 1,000 postgraduate and doctoral students on its rolls. However, what is most significant is that several international students too have enrolled here in their quest for knowledge of interfaith and comparative religion. Well-stocked library, computer center, and separate hostels for boys and girls. The Jain Vishwa Bharati Institute continues to promote and propagate the high ideals of Anikant, non-absolutist outlook, ahimsa, non-violence, tolerance and peaceful coexistence for the whole of mankind. Sahitya, researching ancient wisdom. JVPI is an endeavor to integrate modern science with ancient wisdom. It aims at preparing scholars in this little explored treasure of knowledge and conducting research in different sciences hidden in Jain Agams. The Institute's well-equipped library, the Vardhaman Granthagar, has over 60,000 books and a rare collection of over 6,000 authentic scriptures and manuscripts tracing back to over 1,000 years. Jain Agams, the Buddhist Pali texts and Vedas, some of the rarest books such as Barabudar and Kalpasutra written in golden ink. JVPI is also focused on translating these ancient scriptures from Prakrit into Hindi, English and other major languages of the world for the future generations. JVPI has till date published over 405 books on various subjects to propagate its values through ABBA, its quarterly newsletter. Sadhana, a holistic approach to development. JVB conducts several programs, workshops and camps in meditation and yoga for bringing about an attitudinal change and holistic development of personality.
मैं ये समझता हूँ कि जिस किसी को भी मानसिक और भावनात्मक संतुलन बनाए रखना है, उन्हें इस प्रकार के कैंप आयोजित होते हैं, उसमें पार्ट लेकर के और काफ़ी कुछ सीख करके उसका दैनिक दिनचर्या में उसका प्रयोग करना ही चाहिए।
ऐसा लगता है कि समय पता नहीं घड़ी भाग रही है तेजी के साथ, समय ऐसा निकल जाता है। कैंप में हम लोग बिल्कुल टायर्ड भी नहीं हुए और कैंप में मात्र 2.5 दिन के अंदर इतना सीखने को मिला कि जिसका हम बयान नहीं कर सकते।